wonderful
Truffle
Wagyu burger. So,
wow.
wow, 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 wow.
July 2nd, and we just received our box from Truffle Shuffle.
Here it is.
This is for our July 4th cooking class.
We'll be making a truffle burger. So we just picked up our package, nice and secure, perishable. So we want to get it into the fridge as soon as possible. So let's open it and see what's inside. Got a nice little personalized message from Truffle Shuffle.
Nice.
Very nice. Then we have the menu, and we are making a Truffle
Wagyu Cheeseburger.
Yes. So here's everything that we need, should be in this box.
Yummy.
To go along with it, we're gonna have some truffle kettle corn.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, handcrafted in the Bay Area. So 2 packs, 1 for each of us, so we don't have to fight.
So let's continue. What's inside the box? They are brioche buns. Just taking a peek inside. Beautiful. There's 2 of them ready for us for July 4th. This is well insulated. This is our Wagyu beef for the burgers, the cheeseburger. This is 1 pound for the 2 of us. I think we'll have enough. Chef created Kansas City true barbecue sauce. To go along, we're getting some onion, fresh onion. We have also fresh lime.
That's because we'll be making Moscow mules as part of this experience with Truffle Shuffle. So if you continue to what's in the box, we have some truffle salt. There is honey apple cider vinegar, just a little bit. So we'll look at the recipe and see exactly where to use that. As we continue in, we have cowgirl cheese. So we're
yummy.
really excited for the cheeseburger. So it's high quality, delicious cowgirl cheese. We move on to a little canola oil. So this, I imagine, will be for cooking the truffle burgers. And the last but not least in the box is our ginger beer. So ginger beer will be what we'll be mixing inside the Moscow Mule. It goes along with, in this case, it'll be vodka, ginger beer, lime, ice, maybe some mint. So we'll be toasting 4th of July with this and enjoying it with the truffle burger. We got everything out of the box. The only thing left is the additional ice pack. This has come really well insulated. So now what we'll do is put them in the fridge and join us in 2 days on the 4th for the cooking class and the truffle burgers.
See you then. Today we are joining our online cooking classes with Truffle Shuffle.
And we are making a Truffle Wagyu Cheeseburger.
So we are super excited. For us it's the 4th of July. So we're making the national dish of the US, the cheeseburger.
With a little spice of truffle. So we have our ingredients ready, and we have the computer set up.
Pull off that top layer. And then you'll see onions, there's a paper layer, and then the next layer on the onion, and kind of fibers. pressing it down, right? You want to measure it with your bun, okay? And you want it to be 20% larger than your bun. And so if you're to measure it, it's about 1 knuckle worth, okay?
One knuckle.
Cowboy. And with Wagyu meat like this, right, you really want to cook medium rare, okay? Alright, and then
Where does she put the butter?
On the
Let's see,
both
Jamie
sides.
said, you
Both
something
sides?
to the
Yeah.
bun, candy the bun comes straight from the bakery. Remember that, oh my god, that's a lot of onions, just for hands down my favorite part of themselves.
Here is your score. Perfect score. Iron is laughter.
Hold it up to the camera, alright? You might have to have someone else hold the plate underneath it, but hold it up to the camera like that, okay? That's the angle I want to see you.
Oh, Truffle Wagyu Cheeseburger.
So we just finished the class and we had so much fun and learned so many skills as well. We had to kind of manage the time quickly. That it was well organized. We had everything ready. So it was just a lot of fun. It was our first time doing this, so this was really great.
Yes. An interesting experience to do this online. We typically do cooking classes on site.
It was a fun experience. We had a few mishaps.
Yes.
And one of them is we forgot to start the broiler. so we kind of delayed on the class.
Yes. But we catch up eventually, and now we are ready to bite
Yes.
into a wonderful Truffle Wagyu
burger. So
wow.
wow. Wow. Incredibly delicious.
The meat is really good. I like it's rare, so this is like medium rare.
Yeah. And it is absolutely excellent. The burgers are pretty thick, so it's a pretty substantial amount. And the flavors from the barbecue sauce,
It's an interesting
the caramelized
combination.
onion.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, it's just really incredible.
Buns are delicious.
The buns are incredibly delicious. Had to warm them up on the stovetop, and they got a little burnt. My fault. But put together, you can't taste it. It's just absolutely delicious.
And this Truffle Wagyu burger comes with truffle popcorns, and I really enjoy them. You know, I like popcorn, but a little bit, and this are really good.
Yeah, the truffle flavor is not very strong, but it's there, and it's a nice complement to the burger. We hope you enjoyed the cooking class experience.
As much as we did.
And we encourage you to check out Truffle Shuffle if you're looking to cook online and have a great time.